Today, Sarah is going to the bank for the first time in America.
I need to open a bank account today.
Sarah walks into the bank.
Wow, this bank is clean and quiet.
A bank employee smiles at Sarah.
Good morning.
The employee asks how they can help.
I'd like to open a bank account, please.
The employee is happy to help.
Of course. Please come this way.
Sarah sits at a desk.
Thank you very much.
The employee asks for Sarah's ID.
Here is my passport.
The employee checks the passport.
Thank you.
The employee needs another document.
Do you have proof of your address?
Sarah gives a utility bill.
Yes, here it is.
Everything looks good.
Great!
The employee asks about the account.
Would you like a checking account or a savings account?
Sarah is not sure.
What's the difference?
The employee explains.
A checking account is for everyday spending. A savings account helps you save money.
Sarah makes her choice.
I'd like a checking account, please.
The employee begins the application.
Please fill out this form.
Sarah carefully writes her information.
Okay, I'm finished.
The employee checks the form.
Everything looks perfect.
Sarah wants a debit card.
Will I get a debit card?
The employee smiles.
Yes, it will arrive in about 1 week.
Sarah wants online banking too.
Can I use online banking?
The employee nods.
Yes, you can also use our mobile app.
Sarah deposits some money.
I'd like to deposit $100.
The employee gives Sarah a receipt.
Here is your receipt. Your account is now active.
Sarah is happy with her new bank account.
Sarah is happy with her new bank account.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.